Israel and Hamas have agreed a new Gaza ceasefire and hostage deal after 15 months of devastating war. A source briefed on the talks have told the BBC there was no immediate comment from the Israeli government or Hamas. But a Hamas official also told the BBC the group had approved a draft from us, Qatari and Egyptian mediators. The details of the three-phase plan has not been published, but reports say that during the first 6 weeks of the ceasefire, 33 of the hostages still held by Hamas will be exchanged for Palestinian prisoners in Israeli jails at regular intervals. Israeli forces will pull back from populated areas of Gaza, and displaced Palestinians will be allowed to begin returning to their homes. Negotiations for the second phase, which should see the remaining hostages released, a full Israeli troop withdrawal and a sustainable calm, would start after 2 weeks. The third and final stage would involve the reconstruction of Gaza, something which could take years, and the return of any remaining hostages' bodies.